Withdrawing funds from Cash App is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you successfully transfer your money. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the balance. On the home screen, locate your Cash App balance displayed at the top of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Withdraw. After tapping on your balance, you will see options for adding or withdrawing funds. Choose the Cash Out option to initiate the withdrawal process. Step 4. Enter amount. Input the amount of money you wish to withdraw from your Cash App balance. Ensure that the amount is within your available balance. Step 5. Choose transfer method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your bank account to confirm the funds have arrived.